Hello guys, this is the second video for Unit 6A. In this video, we are going to look at the grammar explained in that unit. So in this unit, we are going to look at how to make negative sentences and questions in the past simple. So let's first look at how to make negative sentences in the past simple. Okay, now I would like you to go back to pages 48 and 49 and read again the Google guys. As you are reading this time, look for all the verbs in the past simple. Pause the video, read the article, and then go to the next slide. So here I have some example sentences from the reading. They are all positive sentences. Notice there is no did in positive sentences, okay? Now, here are some examples of negative sentences from the reading. Notice how we make the negatives for verb to be in the past simple, and notice how we make the negatives for other verbs in the past simple. Stop the video, read the sentences carefully, and then go to the next slide. Now that you've looked at the examples from the reading, can you complete these sentences I have here? To make the past simple negative of the verb to be, we use wasn't or. To make the past simple negative of all other verbs, we use what plus the infinitive of the main verb. You can pause the video, go back, think about it, and then go to the next slide to see the answers. So here are the answers. Did you get them correctly? Good job. Now have a look at these sentences I have here. Can you make them negative? Stop the video, try to make them negative, and then go to the next slide and look at the answers. So here are the answers. Did you get them all right this time too? You're a very good student. Now let's look at how to make questions in the past simple tense. Now look at these questions. Think about how we make questions with verb to be in the past simple and how we make questions with other verbs. Pause the video, have a careful look at these questions, and then go to the next slide. After looking at the examples, now let's think together. How can we make yes/no questions in the past simple? First, let's think about verb to be. Can you complete the rule? Yes. With verb to be, we put was or were, then the subject, and then the rest of the question when we want to make a yes/no question. Like the examples. Was Mr. Raqqa in Egypt in 1987? Was his parents in Cairo in 1955? How about other verbs in the past simple? How do we make yes/no questions? Could you complete the rule here? Did you get it right again? So yes, we use did plus the subject plus the infinitive form of the main verb. Like the example, did Mr. Raqqa leave the USA in 1991? Okay, let's quickly practice making questions. Can you turn these two examples into questions? Pause, think about it, and then look at the answers in the next slide. Okay, look at the answers here. Did you get them right? You are excellent students. Now, before we finish the video, can you think about how we make the short answers for these questions? Yes, no answers? Think about it, and then we will see that in the final slide. So for questions that start with did with all other verbs, for example, did Amr go to Ain Shams University? Answer, yes he did, or no he didn't. With verb to be, we use verb to be in the short answer. So was Amr happy? Yes he was, no he wasn't. Were they here yesterday? Yes they were, no they weren't. Thank you for watching this video.